Here we are going to compare the quantities, quantity A and B. Now it says that M and P, Q and R are consecutive integers such that M is less than N, is less than P, is less than Q, is less than R. Now we have to find the average of all these numbers and compare it with P, whether it's equal or unequal, or if enough information is there to make that comparison. Now it's for consecutive integers, the average is always median. So we have to find the median for these numbers. Now if we arrange from smallest to the biggest, we can find the integer. Now there are 5 numbers which is odd, so obviously the median would be the 5 plus 1 by 2 or the third item, in which case is P, and therefore we can compare with quantity B, which is equal. So in this case the answer would be C. The two quantities are equal. So even though the numbers are explicitly not given, based on the conditions that they are consecutive integers, we can identify their mean to be median, and then based on how to calculate median for odd and even numbers, we can identify which number quantity it would be. Now if the specific relationship that M is less than N, is P less than P, is less than Q, is less than R was not given, in that case we wouldn't be able to arrange this in order of increasing order, and in that case we wouldn't be able to identify median, and then the answer would have been D, that the relationship cannot be determined. So we have to find, before answering, what information is available, and based on that whether we can answer the given question or not.